Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Huawei Nova 11 versus Huawei Nova 11 Pro versus Huawei Nova 11 Ultra. So let's see the full video. Display comparison, display type, display size, resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, screen quality, screen protection, design comparison, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, SIM slot, body colors, storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot, platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera comparison, rear camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, has LED flash, has panorama, has HDR camera, has video records, selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, selfie second camera megapixel, has video recording, connectivity comparison, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi version, GPS N1 plus L5, Galileo, GLONASS L1, BDS, QZSS N1 plus L5, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity, has OTG, Wi-Fi direct, sensor comparison, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, color spectrum, battery comparison, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sound comparison, has loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack. Features comparison, launch date, 4G network, has LTE, and last result, price comparison, price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Packages compare.